Everything's locked in here, bro. I don't know where to go. Everything is literally locked. Look at this. Black ice. Oh my god, that's the real black ice. Oh my god, y'all
Let's get active. Fresh off the block, shawty. Well, love's a Glock 40. Let me spend this time on you. Wanna get to know the mind of you. Where you going?
Alright, we're at a beer distribution center. I don't know where I gotta pick up at, but this is kind of cool. It's like they have a store where you can buy beer as well, and they have like a shipping area. Please hold the door when it's windy. I don't even know if this is the area I'm supposed to come in. How you doing?
Hello.
I was supposed to pick up a load here. Is I'm in the right spot?
No, over at that white building.
Okay, thanks. Okay, I'm over here in this building. Do I want to walk over here? Yeah, I'm gonna walk over here just to get out these cars' way. All right, let me go over here. And it's nobody here, so it's like, I know it's gonna be in and out. There you go. All right, I'm gonna park right here across the street because I feel like they're gonna put me in one of these doors over here. Let me grab my ID. Yeah, I feel like they're gonna put me in one of these doors right here, so geez, there's a bunch of mud over here. So let me go ahead and see what they're talking about. I'm gonna give y'all the details on this load once I check in, because I feel like even though that's the beer place over there, I feel like the same person probably owned this too. This is crazy. This is life right here, man. It's lit. I love to have my own beer company and, like, you know, deliver it and ship it out. That's fly.
Do you have a pickup or delivery number?
Yes, sir.
Come on in.
All right.
What's your pickup number?
The pickup number is, let's start with a letter, right?
Yeah, it should be like a DMF.
Like a PLOR
Oh,
007B.
PLOR.
Yeah,
Okay. Does it say 298 on it?
that's right here.
Yeah, 298 Lincoln.
Yeah.
I'll show you right where you gotta go.
All right. Appreciate it.
Yep. We're gonna go out this road right here.
Uh-huh.
It's right at that building right there.
Oh, behind this building? Behind the
Yep.
beer building?
Yep.
Okay, thanks.
Yep, no problem.
Uh-huh. So, the place that that I was about to pull in when I first got here was the right area. But you never know, man. You never know. When it's a bunch of buildings that look the same, I really didn't know. So let's go across to this place over here. It's like directly over here, so let's go. All right. I don't know what door I'm going in. I don't know what door I'm going in, but we about to see. Like I'm in the right spot. Maybe. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah. The hell?
How's it going, man?
How you doing, man?
You guys for a pickup?
Yep.
You got a pickup over
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
there?
Yeah, I got you.
He's back into that door a while.
When he leave?
Yeah, when he pulls out.
All right.
Now. Or actually, just back into 4.
4?
Probably be a lot easier for
Okay.
us. Pull the 4.
Appreciate you. My fault. 4. We're 4 right here. I figured I was gonna go on 4 too. That's going 4. It's right here. Lego. For some reason that joint kicked my ASS. But I'm in the door perfectly. See, these one of those dock doors where they're not really straight to the position where when you backing up, you know what I mean? Especially with this uneven gravel and all this. So these type of back ends can mess with your head a little bit, because you thinking that you're not straight. And sometimes, like, if y'all can see my two mirrors on the side, I'm trying to find a camera and an angle where I can show y'all what I'm looking at through my mirrors. I just haven't found that angle to do that yet, but I'm working on that so y'all can see what I'm seeing on the truck. I want to give y'all the experience that I'm seeing on the truck. I'm gonna figure it out. I know it's gonna be a lot of editing, but it is what it is. But these is one of those places where the gravel, everything is like kind of like, I don't know, it's hard to explain, you know what I mean? It's hard to explain, but it looked like I wasn't straight, but I was. And my whole trailer was straight, but on the camera, it looked like I wasn't. But I did that, for sure I did that. So like I said, it's not like a busy area with trucks. It looked like straight just day cabs and dedicated drivers that be pulling up here, picking up and delivering. So I should be in and out. Let's see how long it takes. Hey squad, I ain't gonna hold you. I've been locked into Squid Games, and I first was so excited to watch it after Christmas. The first episode kind of messed me up. It had me like sleepy. It was like it wasn't going in the direction that I wanted to go. But I gave it a chance and I regret it. It's the same Squid Games I thought it would be. And I'm locked in. I'm trying to finish it because I'm trying to get some editing done. I'm trying to get some other stuff done. It's only 7 episodes. I'm on the 6th episode right now, and it's getting good. As you see, I got like maybe 25 minutes on this sixth episode. And it's 7 episodes. And I heard that it's coming out again in June. So I'm addicted. I'm back to addicted. Salute the Squid Games. I played with you. I didn't know your body. I was talking crazy about you, but now I regret it, and I apologize. Shout out to the Squid Game community, man. This joint is fire. Give y'all the details on this new load that I have. I actually have 2 loads already booked and ready. So right now I'm in Ashland, Virginia. As y'all know, I dropped that load off at the Wegmans last night. I picked it up from when I was in Allentown, PA. I picked it up, dropped it off in Ashland, Virginia at the Wegmans. My appointment was at 10, but they took me right away. So I was kind of in and out, but I was chilling in the back watching Squid Game, so I didn't even see I didn't even see that I had a green light. He had to call me and tell me, like, he was like, yo, you got a green light, your paperwork is in the back. I was like, oh, my fault, okay, say less. What I did was, I said, you know what, let me go to the TA in Ashland, because I was going to go like further to my load. Let me just break it down for you. So basically, I took a load yesterday because, as y'all know, the weather was supposed to be bad this weekend. So I was trying to avoid the weather. So what I did was I took a load today. I picked it up today, but it's not going to be dropped off until Monday. And I did that because I didn't want to drive over the weekend if the snow was going to be bad. You know what I mean? I could just pick one up now, sit for a couple of days. Even though I don't like sitting, but for the weather, I would do that because I thought it was going to be like a lot of snow this weekend. Something told me it probably wasn't, but I took the load anyway, just in case. So I can at least make some money, you know what I mean? If I'm going to be sitting. Especially, I don't want to be sitting, not making money, if that makes sense. So basically, I took a load, and it was a good paying load too, so I can't even complain. So basically, what I did, like I said, I took the load, pick it up today at 12, which we on our way there now. And it's in VA, so I'm basically taking it to VA. I'm picking it up in VA and dropping it back in Ashland. So basically, I took this load, like I said, because I didn't want to get caught in the weather. And you know, if you get caught in the weather, you're going to be late with your load anyway. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to just take a load tomorrow and find one where it's not delivered till Monday, so I can just sit for 2 days or a half a day just to, you know, make sure everything cool and I don't get caught in the snow, the weather, and you know, I don't have to be rushing to get somewhere for an appointment. You know, I knew by Monday everything would be clear because I didn't think it was going to be too bad, but I didn't know. I'm just being, you know, just being smart about it. So basically, I took a load. This load is actually 74 miles. And I know I don't talk about my pay a lot, but I'm gonna tell you about this pay because it's like good pay. It's like I do good paying loads, but like this one, to go 74 miles, I'm getting paid like $1,700. That's lit. I'm not really going nowhere. I know I'm sitting for 2 days and I could be making money those 2 days, but the weather. And look, the weather didn't even really do anything for real. Like, I mean, a little bit of snow, but it wasn't too bad. So basically, I'm picking this load up from, it's a produce load. I'm picking it up from WDC Greenhouse. It's like vegetables. So what I'm picking up is lettuce. I'm gonna have like a bunch of lettuce on my truck. So I'm picking that up today. We don't drop that off until Monday at 9 a.m. The appointment time really was at 11, but they said they'd take me at 9. And I'm going right back to Wegmans, the place I was at yesterday. So that's basically 74 miles for $1,800, $1,700. Bro, you cannot beat that, bro. You cannot beat that. And I know we negotiated some good stuff because all the brokers and all the, you know, all the brokers and all that is, you know, they banking on the weather too. So if a place need our product, they're gonna, you know, they're gonna negotiate up. Everybody was pushing back on loads, and it was probably gonna be hard to find loads this weekend because everybody was scared of the weather. Cause I'm on the East Coast. I'm in VA, Maryland area right now. So this is where all the snow is supposed to be coming. So all the brokers were scared, you know, to go in on loads because they didn't know how the weather was going to be. So what I did was just took a load, pick up today, and just take it back Monday, you know. And even though the snow not too crazy, I can still bring that load back. And if I want to do some dropping hooks, I can do that as well. But I might just chill because I don't know how the weather going to be today. I don't know how it's going to get today. I don't know if it's going to freeze or not because it did snow last night. It just didn't stick that much. But I feel like it's going, the temperature going to drop, so it might freeze over the weekend. So I feel like I got a good paying load till Monday. So it is what it is. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to, let me find out the area we actually going to. Elkwood, VA. That's where I'm going right now. And it's literally an hour and 28 minutes away, 74 miles, nothing. So I'm going to go pick that up, bring it back here, fill my reefer up because it is a reefer trailer and my trailer going to be sitting for 2 days. So it's not continuous. Continuous means your reefer trailer continue to run. But this not a continuous load. So I don't got to keep it on continuous. So that means I'm going to save fuel in my reefer. So I might not have to fill my reefer up until maybe Monday. But I'm going to keep checking on it because I'm going to be out here anyway. So it is what it is. I'm going to just chill out here in Ashland, you know, and just cool it, you know. The weather ain't too bad, so it ain't going to be too bad. So we about to go pick this load up now. I'm going to go now because I see that's like it's kind of like a mom and pop pickup. So I know they would take me right away. I know it's probably not too much trucks going in and out of there. So they probably would take me right away. And they probably worrying about the weather as well, so I feel like this is the perfect time to, you know, pull up. I already got my reefer running. I just took a shower. Before I went and took a shower, I started my reefer. Make sure, you know, it's all like cool by the time I get there, even though I got an hour or something. So that's what we're gonna do, squad. We about to go pick this load up, come back, park, and just chill. You know, I might go get my dogs and stuff done, my feet and my, you know, my nails and stuff, because I need it. So let's hit the road though, squad. If you're new to this channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below. At this moment, nobody still have won the giveaway for $50 yet. $50. All you gotta do is guess the number. I know it's kind of hard, maybe, and I knew this giveaway was gonna probably take a while, because I know a lot of people probably wasn't gonna play, maybe, and I know they probably wasn't gonna get the number. But maybe I should do 1 through 10 next time, so it can be a little easier, because I did 1 through 50. I try to make it hard, you know. But go over to the still, as this video is being recorded, you can still go over there to that giveaway and drop your number, the number you think I picked, and your Cash App, and you can win $50, 50 dog hairs, man, for sure. But make sure you smash the subscribe button, like button, comment below. Get your boy to the algorithm, man. I'm trying to push this page even more. Like I told you, I'm trying to get to 5K by the springtime. So I know y'all help me get there. But let's hit the road, squad. All right, let me see if they can help me. Yo, everything's locked in here, bro. I don't know where to go. Everything is literally locked. You need a code. How you doing? I had a question. Is this greenhouse?
Yeah.
I had a pickup here.
Yeah, no,
I didn't know who to talk to. Down here?
Yeah.
All the way down here? Alright, she said down here, but where? Like, I don't, like, where? Yeah, I see where she pointed me to. She said down here, bro. There's nothing down here, bro. And that's exactly what I'm picking up, lettuce. So I know I'm in the right spot. But bro, where is she sending me to? Maybe it's a door down here. It's crazy. And it's crazy that I could have came here early. I mean, I hear somebody here. Man, heck no. There ain't no door. Man, listen, I hate when people send me on dummy missions, man. That joint be blowing me. Sending me on a dummy mission like this? Come on, man. Now I gotta go back in here and ask her what she talking about. Like, maybe they load your trailer just by just backing in here. But who I talk to, man? The heck? Yeah.
Can I help you?
I had a pickup.
For, do you know who? Who are you taking it to?
Wegmans.
Wegmans?
Yeah.
Pottsville, Rochester, and Ashland?
Yes.
Okay, it's not ready yet, so once it's ready, I'll let you know. You can park next to him.
How long you think it's gonna be?
I can't really tell you, brother. I wish I could. I could probably give you an ETA. I would say 1:30, 2 o'clock, probably.
Hey, all right, that's cool.
All right.
All
Maybe
right.
you just park next to him right here.
All right.
Is your trailer clean?
Yeah, it's clean.
All right.
Uh-huh. Man, see, that's why I don't always, it's muddy and it's like, bro, I hate this, bro. Like I said, that's why I hate, like, bruh, that's why I hate coming places early sometimes. You never know. It's a hit or miss sometimes. I seen that this was a mom and pop area, so I'm like, man, I could have came here early. No, I'm glad I didn't, bro. I'm glad I didn't come here early, cause I'm still gonna be waiting. Bro, it's literally 11:54. My appointment was at 12. That's what I'm saying, man. I hate that shit, man.
Or let me just pass through there because I'm taking a bunch of pallets. And I don't know if I'm gonna fit if you park there. So let me just pass there real quick.
Okay.
And you can park.
All right. Of course. Of course, he's doing more extra stuff. Talking about weight. Boy, I tell you. But we're just gonna chill and wait. Look how I look out here. Oh, I almost slipped. Boy. I almost bust my ass, boy. Let me walk steady. But we're gonna see how long this takes. We're gonna chill. It really look like I'm in Alaska right now, like literally. All right, so while they got me waiting, I already cooked something up last night, for real. So right now I'm just about to finish the rice off. This is the kind of rice I eat, a wild rice. I don't do the white rice, I do the wild rice. This is way healthier, for real. And I got a rice cooker, sweet and easy, simple plug in, all that good stuff. And it comes up, I have a top on it as well. So all I do is, it's not hard at all. If you're on a truck, man, you don't have a rice cooker, get you a rice cooker. I'm a rice lover, so I'm gonna cook a lot of this wild rice. I got another one under there as well. I'm gonna put a little bit more in here, you feel me? That's about good. So all I do, for real, is just fill it up. I ain't trying to give y'all no cooking tutorial. I'm just trying to show y'all what I'm doing, basically. Because I know y'all better know how to cook, especially in 2025. Feel me? Come on now. Y'all gotta know how to cook, man. I think I might need a little bit more water, a little bit more fasa. Let's see. Man, I hope they don't got me waiting long, man. He blowing me, for real. My Steelers and Ravens play today. Let me see if he finished loading those pallets, because he said he wanted to load some pallets. I'm gonna park over there in a minute. Put that in there. Pour my seasoning out, because I be putting, I used to not season my rice, but I do now. So I'll put some of this seasoning in here. This that fire, boy. You don't know nothing about that? Get you some of that. So what I do is that. Go ahead. Super simple, man. Easy. Put my lid on top. Cook. And it will pop back up once it gets to a, once you stir it a little bit, it automatically pop up when they know it's ready. So I'm gonna let that cook up right quick. And I'm gonna read my book. This is the book I was telling y'all about, the 12 weeks in a year. Get more done in 12 weeks than others do in 12 months. For sure. I'm gonna give y'all a little story time and rundown on the book, how I feel about it, and what I'm gonna use, and how this book changing the way I move this year. I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna give y'all a little story time on that for sure. All right, so it's Monday morning, 8 a.m. Super cold out here right now. Y'all know I sat here over the weekend in Ashland, VA. Today, Monday, today is the day I dropped that load off that I picked up on Saturday. So I've been sitting Saturday, Sunday, and today I dropped this load off at Wegmans. And I was just at Wegmans when? Friday, then I picked up again. Yeah, I was just at Wegmans Friday, so I'm about to be back there again. So I've been in the VA area for at least 3 days tops. So right now I'm about to just go out here and pre-trip my truck. I'm gonna put some washer fluid and I'm gonna top my coolant off before I leave. I'm gonna check my reefer trailer because it's been running for 2 days. I'm gonna drive over here on personal conveyance so I don't have to start my clock, because I know I'm gonna be waiting. My appointment time is at 11 a.m. but I'm gonna see if they can take me early, because sometimes Wegmans take you early, and I feel like not a lot of people, you know, coming in here with deliveries because of the weekend that came with the snow and all that. So I feel like they can take me at like 9:30 or 10, which would be cool because we got to pick another load up. I'm gonna give you the details on that right now. So after we drop this load off at Wegmans, I'm going maybe like 20 minutes away to like Richmond area and pick up another load, and we taking that load to Lexington, North Carolina, to the US Foods, but that don't have to be dropped off till tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. so I'm gonna have a fresh clock. That's why I'm personal conveyance across the street, because Wegmans is literally across the street from this TA in Ashland. Literally, it's probably like 3 to 4 minutes, not far at all. So let's do what we gotta do with the truck, make sure everything is cool, and we're gonna hit the road. I almost forgot my filter. I'm gonna wipe this off. I'm gonna pour all this in here. Y'all should never take this off when the truck is super hot, or if the truck is running for like days or hours. Never take this off because it explodes. So all the people that don't know nothing about trucking, you should never take this off when the truck is hot and running. It explodes. But my truck been off for like a day and a half, so we good. Let me see what the reefer
Make sure we still at 36. Make sure nobody ain't play with my stuff. Let me see what we on down here. Let's see. Yeah, we good money. I might go ahead and top that off because it's under 1/4. Make sure my lights are working. Yep. We good money on that, eh? All money ain't good money. All money ain't good money. Hope y'all having an amazing morning, day, night, whenever you watching this. Hope everything is going well for y'all, man. Get up and get active on this early Monday. I don't know when you watching this, but whatever day you watching this, man, get up and get active. Like I told y'all, for me this year, it's execution. It's all about executing, man. Getting it done. And I've been doing just that, to be honest. I've been doing just that. So everything is cool. We at this TA right now. And I'm about to go ahead and throw this away so I don't forget. Drive over here. I'm gonna go ahead and drive over here to the Wegmans. We're gonna drop this load off. It's so cold out here. Hopefully y'all didn't get bad weather, because we didn't get no bad weather. You know, we got a little bit of snow the other day. Look at this, black ice. Oh my God, that's that real black ice. Oh my God, you gonna bust your